Hello my friends. Today I'm going to attempt a Dutch pour. Now I've already put down a white base coat. I'll put the recipe I used down below. It's just Floetrol and water, and I'm using Soho paints. And with the ratios I use, I don't get really big shaped cells. And to be honest, I'm happy with what I get. I don't really care for that look that you sometimes get with Dutch pours. I don't know. It's just personal preference. This is almost just a textured look, and I like that. Now, if I don't like what I get, though, because who knows, I have a plan B, something to do with after I've blown it out. So we'll see if that's necessary. So what have I got? I've got gold, and that was Arteza. The rest are Soho, Phthalo Blue, Cobalt Blue, Magenta, and Dioxazine Violet. So that's the plan, and I think I'm going to apply it in kind of a two-line thing, like here and there, like a offset V pattern. So here we go. This is a lovely Aztec Gold, it's called. Nice rich gold. I always forget that you just don't need much in the way of color when you do these, and I always make up far too much, but it just means more experimentation. Whoops. Whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Magenta. And I think this is the Cobalt. Okay. Now, I apologize. I've not been able to figure out how to silence this part when I use the hairdryer without silencing all my narration. So you gotta listen to it, I'm sorry to say. But here we go. It's on high and cool. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell from up there, but these little tiny, real minuscule type cells, I guess you'd call them, I like that. I'm going to hit it with a torch and they'll develop more. Oh, I like the little sprinkling in the white as well. Okay. Wow, I kind of like it just the way it is. In the vertical orientation, if this would be the bottom, I rather like that. Walking around to see what you're looking at. I kind of like that. I don't know that I want to try what I had in mind, but I think I will, just for fun. I was thinking that it would be fun to try this little Mardi Gras bead thing and just pull it through some of the areas that maybe I didn't like. I actually like a lot of it, but I think I'll pull it down here through the gold. Gosh, I hope I don't regret this, but you know, how will I know unless I try it? So I'm just going to place it on there. I'll run it into the darker a little bit and just kind of pull a little bit through. Okay. I like that. Add a little bit of interest. Change it up a little bit. And where else can I do that? I'm not really bothered by this, but I think it needs to be anchored on this edge a little better. So I'll try the same thing here. Just set that in there and pull down. I like that. I like it. Okay. Now, where else? You can hear my husband. I think he's talking to the dogs. Oh, there's a chunk of something there. That's gotta go. Look at that. Okay. I think maybe there and I might be done. I'll go into this solid like that. Set it there and swing this down. I like it. I think that's it. I don't want to go crazy with it. I just want to make it a little different. And it's just a hint of that. I like it. It's a lot of negative space, but I think I'm okay with that. I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. So see, it's just a personal preference, but I like this little cell action there, just little sprinkles of it. Very happy with the nice vivid colors. There's that darn light. I even like that little sprinkle of color right there. That's fun. And then there's the last chain pull thing I did. So yeah, I can't turn it for you, but I see this is the bottom over here, and it would be in the long vertical position. I think it's quite striking. Oh, finally, a Dutch pour I like. Okay, my friends. Well, I don't think I'm going to mess with it. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.